Happy afternoon, children. This is your English teacher Shakti from SRGDS Metric Higher Secondary School, Vadandapattu, Thiruvannamalai. Very warm welcome back to the class of 8th Standard English classroom. Dear boys and girls, let's see Unit 1, Prose 1, The Nose Jewel, written by C. Rajagopalachari. In our previous class also had learned the lesson The Nose Jewel. First, we just have to see the recap of what we had learnt. After that, we will continue the lesson. Let's recap. Once there was Ramaya and his wife lived in a town with a nice home made of tile roofs. He could take care of his family very well. 2 sparrows built a nest in Ramaya's house and the mother bird laid her eggs in it. Ramaya's wife always quarreled with him. On seeing this, male sparrow should we not help this poor Ramaya? Here, Ramaya is the main character from here. He and his wife lived in a town with a nice home, beautiful home made of tile roofs. Tile roof, that means upper surface laid with tiles. That is the upper surface of the building. He could take care of his family. Take care, that means look after his family very well. 2 sparrows built a nest. Nest means shelter of the bird. That is nest in the Ramaya's house. And the mother bird laid her eggs in it. The mother bird has some eggs in its nest. Ramaya's wife always quarreled with him, always fought with him. On seeing this, who had seen this? Male sparrow and the female sparrow, on seeing their quarrel. The male sparrow said to female sparrow, should we not help this poor Ramaya? Why don't we help the poor Ramaya? The female sparrow answered to the male sparrow, let us mind our own business. Let's mind our own business. Do your own duty. Don't interrupt others' job. It is not good. This is none of our business, said the female sparrow to male sparrow. See, the cat does not come near our nest. That would be enough for us. The cat doesn't come near our nest. That is enough for you and me, said the female sparrow. Somewhere in the muck heap lay a diamond nosed jewel. The male bird picked it and came to the nest and said to his wife, look this, do you like this? Somewhere in the muck heap, that means, already I told that, pile of dirt. That is the male bird find it the nose jewel and picked it and came to the nest and hand over to his wife and said, look this, do you like this? The wife bird replied to him, this is useless to me. What am I to do with this diamond nose studs or earring? The young ones are hungry, so find some grub. This is useless to me. What can I do with this? This is not useless. So you have to find out some of grubs to the young ones. Then the male bird dropped the stud. Drop, that means put down the stud on the floor and flew away in search of some worms. Next, Ramaya's wife picked up the jewel and wore it. She wore the nose jewel. After that, her husband questioned to her and urged her to hand over to the village magistrate. Inquired her, how can you get this nose jewel? She easily answered that, I just found this in our home while cleaning the house. Just I picked it and wore it. He urged her to hand over to the village magistrate. He genuinely said that we have to hand over to the magistrate, but his wife, Ramaya's wife, did not like to do so. She is not like to do so. Next, Ramaya's house was nearby Meenakshi Ammal's house. His house is nearby Meenakshi Ammal's house. And some of talk went thus. She forget. Who forget? She here means Meenakshi Ammal. Forget somewhere. She forget that diamond nose jewel. Forget somewhere in the house. Her maid servant Kupai must have swept it out. After cleaning the house, she carelessly put out. Meenakshi Ammal's console her daughter. Please don't tell, not to tell his father. We could search it soon. On the time suddenly arrived there her husband Ramanathan. Ramanathan came there and asked them, what was the secret are you whispering? What do you have to speak? Why do you whisper? Next today's class, the loss of the jewel had to be admitted. Soon, the whole village knew about it. The maid servant Kupai was suspected by everyone to have stolen it. See here, the loss of jewel had to be admitted. The news had spread the whole village. The news that means the loss of the jewel. Okay. Thus, the maid servant Kupai suspected by everyone. Suspected that means doubted by everyone. Suspected by everyone of the village. They thought that she may stolen it. Okay. The police came and searched her hut, but could find nothing. After searching her house, her hut, her home, there isn't anything in her home, but could find nothing. Okay, next. Ramaya's heart was in a flutter. Ramaya's heart. After hearing this news, Ramaya's heart was in a flutter. Flutter that means confusion. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. She soon developed a severe fever and was confined to her bed. No one thought of searching their house. See, Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. That means not put it out, keeping safely in the box. After that she got severe fever. Severe fever that means seriously she got fever and was confined. Confined that means restricted, kept it in a limited space or area. That is to her bed. Why she confined that? That means she is not going outside. She spent the days of her home in a limited area because she thought that someone may identify her and would caught or hand over to the police. So the reason of the fear, she is not getting outside. No one thought of searching their house. But actually, no one thought of searching their house. No one could be to search his house. Next, the he sparrow. Here he sparrow mentioned for the male sparrow. Look at the fun, my dear. The lady of this house is scared and is down with fever. He sparrow mentioned that here in the male sparrow. What the fun she had. The lady of this house was so scared, so feared and down. Down that means bedridden or get heavy fever. She got a heavy fever. Next, the she sparrow. Here the she sparrow mentioned the female sparrow. Nice fun indeed. Indeed that means truly. Okay, she sparrow means female sparrow. She also agreed that what the male bird told. Okay, nice fun indeed. Truly right. Yes, you are right. The fever may be end of her, The poor woman, Ramaya's wife, is a panic. Here she is very panic. Panic, that means fear. Okay. The fear may end. End, that means death. So the fever may the end of her. Maybe the end of the end. Here end means death. So பயத்திலே செத்துருவாங்க போல. That is the meaning from here. And a good thing too. Yes, that is a good thing. Who said this? The male sparrow cruelly said that. Cruel, that means unkind. The unkind male sparrow said that because of all the problems done by him. Yes. The female sparrow rightly said that it is all your doing. You brought and threw it here and tempted her, said the female bird. Yes, these are all done by you. The female bird rightly said that the male bird, it is all done by you. You brought it and put it down here. So these all temptation created by you. Next, the male bird answered gravely. Gravely, that means seriously. He said, what he said? Did I tell her to steal the thing? This is bound to happen when human are being greedy. Did I tell to her to steal the nose jewel? I don't tell her anything. She is greedy. She is become anxious. How can I do? Next, rightly said, we should never be greedy for what belongs to others. Who said this? The female bird said. Rightly said. Yes. The female bird ended to say, yes, right, but we ought never be greedy at all. Human beings are greedy. Who are greedy? Human beings are greedy. Come, let us go now and bring some worms for the young ones. And the two flew out. The two means the two sparrow flew out. They find some worms to the young ones, young birds. Here, the last thing, Ramaya and his wife spend the rest of life in fear of being caught. The diamond nose jewel may still be with them, but the fear of getting caught was even more. Finally, Ramaya and his wife spent their days with fear whenever they caught by the police. So they had the diamond nose jewel still there in their house. But the feeling of fear was more than the feeling of possession. More than the feeling of possession, that means more than the feeling of having the nose jewel. Okay. So in this prose, we got a message from them. Covet all, loss all. The proverb is Perasai Peranastam. This proverb warns us that if one who has too much greediness will lose everything one has. It also indirectly instructs us not to be greedy on others' possessions to own them. Here Ramaya's wife greediness, the diamond nose jewel. Here Ramaya's wife's greediness gives the fear for the rest of her life. Okay. So I hope that you understood well. Let's move to about the author.